Hello and welcome to this video tour of number 16 Shackleton Way here in Woodley. So what we have here is a Bryant Homes built 3-bedroom semi-detached which has been extended to the rear, so the ground floor accommodation is much larger than it was. And one of the nice things about this property is the driveway and parking. Now most modern homes are very limited with parking, as I'm sure you realise, but with this property, let me step back slightly. You can see we've got a decent length driveway there, 2 cars comfortably, and to the right hand side this has been laid to block paving, so parking probably for another 2 cars. So certainly I think 4 cars on this driveway would not be too much of a problem. Let me just show you the location of this property. I'm going to spin around here to the right and show you the entrance to Shackleton Way in the distance there. So that's Hurricane Way, and turn right, and then within 50 yards on the left hand side you've got Tesco's Express, you've got the doctors, you've got local pharmacy. Really useful to have those facilities on your doorstep, but you know, literally kind of round the corner, not right in front of the house. Let me turn around the other way and just show you the end of the cul-de-sac, which is just round the left-hand bend. So as you can see, very quiet road. Only people that live here are going to be coming along here, I'm sure, being a cul-de-sac. Let's just take you through the front door and show you the house. Just point out that we've got gas central heating with radiators. You've got UPVC double glazed sealed unit windows, including this one here, which is a bay. Rather nice. Also just mention, location-wise, we are 5 minutes probably drive to the M4 via the A329M, which is very close by. I'm just going to turn around. Let me step forward and turn around and show you the entrance porch here. That's the front door which I've just come through. Window there to the left, as I mentioned, double glazed sealed unit window, coat hanging space, and then the door takes you into the lounge. The fireplace, that's purely a focal point, so it's a mock fireplace. I'm just going to step into the room, turn around and show you the bay window which I mentioned. I'm going to show you the view from here actually, because the view from the bay window is really quite nice because we're set back from the road, big driveway, lots of parking and a few trees providing a bit of privacy. So back into the lounge. The door there takes you to an inner hallway where the downstairs WC is and the staircase. The door here takes you through to the kitchen diner and also into the area which is the extension. So let me just focus on, this is the extension bit here ahead of me. You can just see if I tip upwards, there's the arch, and that area beyond the arch is the extension. So it's like a family room. Could be used as a dining area. Anything really, but nice that it's got windows to the left and at the rear. There's the French door you can see to the garden. So nice to see that as the extension. I'm just going to turn around and show you the dining area here. Plenty of space for dining table and chairs. Space for fridge freezer if necessary there. And I'm spinning around, let's show you the kitchen area. Modern units, base units and eye level. We've got it's a larder cupboard, this tall one here, work surface there. There's a double oven with a 5-ring gas hob and a hood above, and the wash basin, the sink unit, plumbing for a dishwasher clearly beneath. The washing machine is actually in the utility room on this property, so I'll show you that in just a moment. I'm just going to show you a view of the rear garden from this window because it's very private. As you can see, trees across the rear boundary, very nice. So big area this at the back, the extension making a huge difference. The ground floor is not quite finished because in the inner hallway here we've got a staircase in front of us. Nice half landing window. To the right is the downstairs cloakroom, the WC. There's a wash basin behind this door here. I've already put the light on so we can have a look inside. Like a wood effect flooring, the low level WC. And then to the other side here, let's open this door. So this takes you into an area, this all used to be the garage. So there's been a slight alteration, purely a stud wall. So the garage has sort of been split in two. And then the first area here is used as a sort of storeroom. Much nicer than it just be straight into the garage. It's almost like a utility room, because if I just step into the room here and turn left, turn around to the right, you'll see we've got a window in this area and the washing machine there, plumbing for the washing machine under that work surface. There's a radiator in this area as well. And then full circle into the sort of the actual garage storage area. There's the up and over door, as you can see, and just behind the door, just pointing downwards, there you go. So this is actually the garage store, whereas this is the sort of garage area that's been altered just to make it more of a utility storeroom. Really useful, really useful. And also, of course, takes a bit of pressure off the kitchen, as in the washing machine, maybe chest freezer if you wanted it, that could live in that area there. So let's make our way upstairs. Now, this property having a parted table garage means you've actually got 3 really good sized bedrooms. I'm going to start by showing you the landing. Turning staircase with a half landing window, as you can see there. Just going to point upwards because we've got quite a big access to the loft space. Looks like we've probably got a loft ladder fitted there as well. Bedrooms. So, main bedroom first is this one. Range of fitted wardrobes just to my left there. Sliding doors, and a couple of them with mirror fronts. Plenty of space for a double bed and more furniture if needed. And then behind here we have the second bedroom. As you can see, a double. There's a double bed sat there comfortably with more room for storage or units. Rear aspect window. I'm just going to step in the room, turn around to my left to show you that there's a built-in wardrobe there. Actually, I'm just going to show you the view from the back here as well, because the view, this is the extension we're looking down on, so a nice pitched roof and a very private garden. As you can see, we are on the sunny side, which obviously today does demonstrate, so I picked the good day to do this. So I'd say we're probably west facing this garden. Third bedroom is this room here. Now this has got a freestanding double wardrobe sat in it, as you can see on the left hand side here. So that does take up quite a bit of space. So it's slightly difficult to show you this room, but it's definitely not a box room. This is genuinely a single bedroom. And a front aspect window, of course. Let's just show you the view out front from this window. Very pleasant. Whilst we're on the airfield estate here, this feels a little bit more non-estate when you're in the property, to be honest, so quite a nice position. Now finally on the landing, the cupboard there is the airing cupboard, and then the bathroom refitted with a white suite. There's the low level WC. You can see the wash basin with a vanity cupboard under. The bath, I'm going to spin round, step in and spin round, because I'm just going to show you that we've actually got an electric shower over the bath. And the walls are all fully tiled in the bathroom. Let's just spin around here. There you go, all fully tiled. Again, UPVC double glazed single unit window. Okay, so that is the house, and I'm going to finish this tour by showing you the garden. I'm going to point the camera towards the back of the house, because obviously you can then see the extension. Let's go through the extension actually and through this door here. First of all, just to show you that we're not overlooked, you can see the trees and the bushes there. Mainly laid to lawn. It's got a patio area here, as you can see. I'm just going to show you the shed in the corner, kind of hiding in the shadow. There's the shed. And then if I just step over here, I'm going to turn around, as promised, show you the rear of the house. There's the extension with a nice pitched roof on it. Makes quite a difference to the ground floor accommodation. So there we have number 16 Shackleton Way here in Woodley. If you'd like to know any more details, please give us a call. My name is Gary. Do ask for me. Alternatively, same telephone number on the website to book a viewing appointment. So thanks for watching.